Hi! Welcome to my class. Our lesson for today is about linear measures. For revision purposes, I would like to ask you what represents the colors of the UAE flag. The red represents hardiness, bravery, strength, and courage. Always remember courage to do good works and strength to resist bad things. Okay? And the green represents hope, joy, optimism, and love. That is why we are spreading love to each other and not hatred. The white represents peace, honesty, cleanliness, and pureness. That is why we are always keeping ourselves clean, especially our hearts. We are always telling the truth. The black represents defeat of enemies and strength of mind. Defeating enemies in the sense that we are not going to tolerate what they are doing, especially when it is wrong. So we are going to help them and try to correct them. The main objective of our lesson today is to measure and construct line segment. A line segment is a part of a line that is bounded by two end points and contains every point on a line between its endpoint. Like for example, line segment AB or line segment AD, AB, BC or line segment CD. It is a line that is bounded by two endpoints. And linear measures in our lesson is to express distances using smaller units to improve accuracy of measurement and for smaller chances of error. In this regard, we are going to use mostly in our measurement millimeters or centimeter. Let us find the length measurement of the dates in nearest millimeters. Do you know that dates enhances our health because it gives us adequate iron and helps in decreasing the chance to develop many chronic diseases? In my stay here in UAE, I haven't seen any date trees that gives date fruits during ordinary month. They gives fruits during Ramadan month only. Date is considered by many of the people here in UAE as one of the nature's most perfect food. It is highly nutritional. Do you know that 4 million tons of dates are grown annually? And Bedouin tribes who consumes a high percentage of dates in their diets have the lowest rate of cancer. Do you know that? Dates are giant solar collectors also. That is why dates stores an intense energy in its fruit, which gives people who will consume it a lot of health benefits. It prevents constipation, it lowers down bad cholesterol level, it prevents diarrhea, and reduces high blood pressure. It is also healthy for our heart. If we are going to measure it in nearest millimeters, it is only about 44 millimeters or 4.4 centimeter, but it gives a lot of health benefits. Now let us find the diameter of an egal in centimeter. Do you know what egal is? An egal is a band-like accessory made of goat hair. It secures the gutra, the white headdress. The white headdress that is worn by the Emirati man. The egal enhances the understanding of Emirati culture. And this protects the men from the harsh sun, dust, and sand. To get the accurate measurement of the diameter of an egal, it is 15.3 centimeters. Now let us find the length of the bukhor in centimeters. Do you know what a bukhor is? It is like a perfume that when you burn, it will give smoke. The smoke helps to improve mental clarity, opens the third eye and all of the upper chakras while calming down the whole entire spiritual system. Medically, it is a tonic, aphrodisiac, diuretic, relieves epilepsy, antimicrobial, carminative, and anti-asthmatic. But for a heavy exposure for a long duration of time, it is not good for our body. Remember, everything that is over is not good. Okay? So, if we are going to measure the length of the buccal in centimeter, it will give us 7 centimeters. What about finding the length of the line segment LR? We're going to use the centimeter ruler. And remember, put the first end point of the line segment to the zero of your centimeter ruler. So, when the first end point is on the zero, the second end point, which is the last, will be on the 14 centimeter. Therefore, the length of line segment LR is 14 centimeters. What about this one? Line AM is shown. Point S is between A and M. AS is 3x, SM is 4x, and AM is 52. We are going to find X and SM. As you can see, I put the distances or the measurement of AS as 3x and SM as 4x. And the whole thing, AM, is equal to 52. To put it in the equation, it will be 3x plus 4x is equal to 52. What are we going to do next? We are going to add the left side of the equation, which is 3x plus 4x is equal to 7x. This will be equal to 52. What are we going to do next? We need to eliminate 7 on the left side. So we are going to divide 7 to both sides. Now we can cancel out 7 on the left side to get the value of x. Therefore, 52 divided by 7, it will give us 7.43. So x is equal to 7.43. To find the length of the SM, we're going to substitute the value of the x to 4x. So, 4 times 7.43, it will give us 29.72. In this example, given SA is equal to 2y minus 3, AD is equal to 3y minus 12, and SD is equal to 47. We are going to find the value of y and the distance of AD. Writing down the distances of SA, which is 2y minus 3, and AD, which is 3y minus 12, and the whole line segment SD is equal to 47, we can come up with the equation 2y minus 3 plus 3y minus 12 is equal to 47. Combining like terms to solve for the equation, we're going to combine 2y plus 3y and minus 3 minus 12, which is equal to 7. Now we can simplify. 2y plus 3y will give us 5y, and minus 3 minus 12 will give us minus 15. We are going to add 15 to both sides to eliminate 15 on the left side. So, eliminating 15 on the left side, it will give us 5y is equal to 62. To solve for y, we need to eliminate 5. Therefore, we are going to divide 5 to both sides. 5 divided by 5 is 1, and 62 divided by 5 will give us 12.4. Therefore, y is equal to 12.4. To solve for the distance of AD, we are going to substitute the value of y in the equation, 3y minus 12. So, 3 times 12.4 minus 12, it will give us 25.2. The distance of AD is equal to 25.2. What about solving for the congruent line segment of AX? As you can see from the figure, line segment AX is equal to 4.8 cm. But with a rough estimate of AY, line segment AY, AM plus MY will give us 3.9 plus 0.9 is equal to 4.8. So they are congruent, they are equal. And by looking at the line segment XV, it is also the same as AX. So line segment XM plus MV is equal to 3.1 plus 1.7, which will give us also 4.8. Therefore, the line segment that is congruent to AX is AY and XV. Line segment AX is congruent to AY and XV. This topic is very easy. We're just going to express distances using smaller units to improve accuracy of measurement and to get smaller chances of error. As Sheikh Zayed said, which is always mentioned in all our lesson, education is like a lantern which lights your way in a dark alley. It's because I don't want you to forget it. Education will give you a bright future. Okay? Till next lesson, guys. Bye-bye.